In this video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow against crypto on Coinbase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Coinbase offers borrowing options, and you will be able to borrow against Bitcoin. So to access the borrow function, open the latest version of the Coinbase app, sign into your account, and open the menu at the top left corner of the home screen. Immediately upon opening the menu, you should be able to find the borrow option. If you do not see borrow, it could be due to various reasons. One is that this option is not available in your region, so you won't see it. Two is that your account is not verified, or the feature might be unavailable for the time being. Either way, you will only be able to borrow if you see it listed here on the menu from the home screen. So go to borrow, and now you will see this message: get a USDC loan with your Bitcoin. Need cash to pay bills or send to family? Now you don't have to sell your Bitcoin. Instead, you can use it as collateral for an on-chain loan. So all that you have to do now is tap continue, and you will be able to start this process. So you can input the amount that you want to borrow. You can adjust the LTV, and you will see all of the information update dynamically. So you will see the borrow percentage, the variable APR, and how much you have available to use as collateral. The required collateral will update dynamically according to how much you set to borrow. You can input the maximum amount by using this button, or specify the amount with the numpad here. Once you have specified the amount, you will be able to review everything. So you will see how much collateral will be given, the loan to value, the variable interest rate, and the liquidation price. You can confirm how much you will be borrowing with Bitcoin as collateral. Then you can go ahead, see the network fee included here, and choose the option to borrow now. The money will become available right away in accordance to the prices, fees, and the collateral. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow against crypto Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.